Okay, let's go trick-or-treating. Goose, knock on that door.
Aren't you a fine-looking young man?
What do you say?
Uh-oh.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
What did you get? Let me see.
See?
Wow, that's a lot of candy. Okay, let's go again. Okay, go ahead, knock.
Who are you?
Hi.
Okay. Good costume, Kai.
What did you get?
There's 2 more.
You got 2 more?
Yeah. But there's a treat more.
Yeah. Can you say bye to the camera? Are you having fun trick-or-treating?
Yeah.
Good.